Are you tired of your yellow teeth?
Well, so am I. I've tried everything from brushing twice a day, flossing, to mouthwashes. It just does not work. But here's something that I came across and I think it might work. Illuminus Kosmetikos. These are teeth whitening strips that come in 7-day kits and they're so easy to use. They have all the instructions at the back of the box. So first of all, you mark the shade of your teeth and then you get this box with all the strips in it. So you get 14 strips and you take one out.
And then with dry hands, just open the pouch and remove the strips. Then just moisten your teeth with the tongue and apply strips to the front of the upper teeth, avoiding your gums, and just fold remaining strip behind your teeth. Repeat the same thing for your lower teeth, and eventually the strip will naturally dissolve within 15 minutes. Then all you gotta do is just rinse your mouth and you're good to go.
These are so literally easy to use that you can have one on while you're reading.
And while driving,
or working, watching a movie, getting dressed, doing your makeup, playing video games, or simply wait and watch TV. Well, I'm just saying they're easy to use and easy on the pocket. Just so you know, teeth whitening is an expensive dental procedure, but these kits come in affordable prices and different packages. So they have a pro kit you can get for 3,500 rupees and use it for 7 days, or you can get the mini pack as a starter pack or a top-up deal for 500 rupees only. By the way, Illuminus Kosmetikos is safe, easy to use, and many dentists recommend it around town as well. These whitening strips are found at a number of leading stores in Pakistan. You can actually look it up on their website as well. If you want to buy it online, you can actually use our promo code Dentalist10 and get yourself a discount. Anyway, I'm Muzammil from the Dentalist, and I found the easiest and the fastest way to get my teeth whitened. Get yourself a kit today and fix your smile.